animate mic yako. Unajua kwa animate? Animate mic yako ndo anza kuongea. Kama volume iko sawa. Volume iko sawa. Mambo ya kuongea.
Okay. I can see we are all in. And as we begin so that we end earlier. So today we shall be going to see something small in introduction to ICT, where we shall begin with definition of some of the terms, like for example ICT. So who can assist us to define the term ICT? ICT.
Media kama anza saa fresh. Nimekuwa animate hapo.
Yes, I can see we are all settled in, and as now we begin our today's session, we shall begin. That is a unit ICT, where we shall see introduction part of ICT. So before we have some of the terms we shall have to define, like for example ICT. Who can define for us the term ICT?
Kindly repeat.
I said we shall dwell today on introduction to ICT, where we shall have to begin with the definition of some of the terms which we shall come across. I can see Pacifica, can you give us an input? Pacifica.
Hello?
Yes.
ICT stands for Information Communication Technology, and is a term that encompasses all the technologies that we use to create, store, transmit, share, or exchange information.
Thank you, Pacifica. That is exactly what we meant by the term ICT. Is there another person which has an input? So basically, ICT is it is introduction of some of the technologies like radio, broadcasting, and other equipments that is used to facilitate communication. That's just the same thing as Pacifica has defined for us. So allow me, we go on to the next part, that is definition of the term hardware. Hardware as a term. Hardware. Yes. Anyone with an input? Yes, Mark. Yes, Mark, can you give us an input? Mark,
Can you repeat your question?
we are seeing the second term, that is hardware, that is under introduction to ICT, definition of the terms. We are on number 2, that is hardware, definition of the term hardware.
Okay, hardware are the
Yes. So we have said hardware are physical tangible parts of a computer that enable the user to enter or to key in information into the computer. Are we all in agreement? Yes.
yes,
How
more.
about
Yes,
the
sir.
term software? Software. How about the term software? Yes, John.
Software are installed in a computer.
Yes, these are programs that can be installed into the computer purposely to to satisfy users' needs. Thank you very much, John Mark. Allow me to proceed to the next term, that is information. We have information. 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 Yes, John.
Information is raw data.
These are raw. Is it raw data? It is unprocessed data. Good. It is the processed data which has been converted into information, unlike data which are raw. Another, we have another term, that is data processing. Data processing. Data processing. Yes. I can see. Let me give chance to Pacifica. Let me begin with Pacifica.
Data processing is the process of taking raw data and transforming it into a usable information.
Exactly. It is the converting of raw facts into meaningful information. Good. So I can see time is not on our side, and as we basically see some of the key components of ICT, then I release you so that you go and do what part of assignment. So we shall see some of the components of ICT. What do you deem to be some of the components of ICT? What are some of the basically 3 components? Yes, Pacifica. Yes, Pacifica.
Yes,
Yes.
hardware,
Hardware, good.
software,
Good.
network.
Network. Yes. Let me give another chance to another person, that is John Mark. Can you give us an input, John Mark?
Data.
Yes, that's good. Yes, Caleb. Yes, Caleb.
About which term did you say?
We have said hardware, we have said software, we are remaining with one of the component.
You're saying components?
Components of ICT.
Components of ICT.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I don't know any components.
Sir. So I can see time is not on our side. So our today's sessions ends there. But Our assignments is on challenges and considerations on ICT. So make sure that you do that work as we meet in the next session. Thank you very much for your cooperation. I can see most of you are cooperating in my class. Thank you.
Thank you, Mwalimu.
Thank you, sir.
Stop. Rudi kwa OBS. Umesha stop.